Hey folks, how are you today? Curtis here from A1 Detailing. Just a little quick video shot on our next project, which is a Hyundai Tucson. I think this one's going to go down in the books thus far as being probably one of the more in needing of tender loving care vehicles that we've had in here for a while. So I just want to show you folks what we're going to be up against here. We got ourselves a real fun few days ahead of us. Check those seats out. But fear not, we're going to work away at this. We're going to get that out of there. So stay tuned. There's our cockpit floorboards there. Lots of little goodies down here. Those door panels out. But I think we're going to get this real nice. We're going to clean this vehicle thoroughly. We are going to sanitize it with the steamer and some enzyme cleaners. I think that's something that is a definite must, just to ensure that we're going to have a nice, safe, clean cockpit for the new owners here. The rear boot area, backs of the seats. I think we'll get some candy there. All right. Okay, well, you're definitely consistently dirty throughout this whole project. Oh boy, I didn't know you could get dirt in some of those spots. But I want you all to stay tuned, because we are gonna get that out of there. Skin oil, dirt, debris, ugly bacteria, be gone.